What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently, we're seeing $1.11, down 1.5 on the day. Seeing market cap of 10.05 billion, 24-hour volume 203 million. So let's hop into the chart. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we came down to our pullback zone signaled in previous videos as well as in the Discord. We have a nice falling wedge pattern that we started to break out of. So if we can come up and start to break this previous high at about $1.12, that could give you more confirmation that you're going to push up in a wave 3, which would give you a target. If we were to bounce off, if we did come down to $1.09, it would give you a target of $1.26, which is the 1.618. We do have money flowing back in on the hourly, which is obviously a positive sign with the bullish divergence. So we'll see if we see continuation. If we break $1.09, then the key support to watch is this previous low at $1.07, because if that breaks, then it can no longer be a wave 2 pullback. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we broke out of the symmetrical wedge and we're currently retesting it. So if we do see continuation to the upside off the retest, then that's when you can see Matic push all the way up to about $1.37. If this breaks down, all you have to do, take the measurement of the body and take it to your point of breakout. We'll take a quick look at Ethereum as well. Come down to our wave 2 pullback zone that we've signaled here. So we are seeing a bullish divergence. Let me quickly pop open the money flow on the RSI. There's a small bullish divergence. Money flow index, yeah, large bullish divergence on the hourly. So just watch this channel. If we do start to break out from here, take your trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top. If we were to bounce from this level, then you would target the 1.618. I'm going to move all these up. Oh, the 1.618 is a normal target for the wave 3, which would take you up to about 2146. Put in the wave 4 and the final wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3. That's what I think we're looking at, that this is not the completion of the wave 3, but instead we're going to see a larger wave 3, which does happen quite regularly. So do watch for that. If we break 1801, then of course we could focus on a more bearish scenario. But as of right now, we have bullish divergences. So just wait for this channel to break for confirmation. On the daily time frame, we're retesting our bull flag. As you can see, we broke out above this resistance. We're currently back testing it. So if we can bounce from this level, then we can see continuation to the upside. The bull flag target is up here at 2429. All right, gang. So just a quick update for Matic. As I mentioned, if we can come up and break this high at about $1.12, that'll be more confirmation to the upside. We have our bullish divergences. Bearish scenario, we break 109. Then it becomes less likely a wave 2, but still possible until we come down and break 107. If we break 107, then I would definitely expect a larger correction. But until then, we could definitely see further upside. So make sure to sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. I do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit, up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Make your first deposit, 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays. It's $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon link. But if you do make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, you do get a 30-day free trial. All links are in the description and in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.